Hello everyone. Is your diesel engine struggling to start, running rough, or blowing white smoke in the morning? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0672, cylinder 2, glow plug circuit open, this means your engine's glow plug system isn't functioning properly. In this video, I'll explain what P0672 means, its symptoms and, most importantly, the exact locations of the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0672? The P0672 trouble code stands for cylinder 2, glow plug circuit open. Diesel engines use glow plugs to preheat the air inside the cylinders for smoother ignition, especially in cold weather. If the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an issue with the glow plug in cylinder 2, it triggers the P0672 code, causing starting problems and rough idling. Common symptoms of P0672: check engine light on difficult cold starts, rough idling and misfiring in cold weather, excessive white smoke from exhaust, reduced fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0672. To diagnose P0672, check these key parts. Glow plug for cylinder 2. Location: installed in cylinder 2, usually threaded into the cylinder head near the fuel injector. Function: preheats the air inside the cylinder for easier ignition. A faulty glow plug won't generate enough heat, causing cold start issues. Glow plug control module, GPCM. Location: usually mounted on the engine block, firewall, or near the intake manifold. Function: regulates voltage to the glow plugs. A failing module can stop the glow plugs from heating properly. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: monitors the glow plug system and triggers the P0672 code if it detects a fault. Glow plug relay. Location: typically found in the fuse box or mounted on the engine compartment. Function: controls when the glow plugs receive power. If faulty, the glow plugs won't get the required voltage. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the GPCM, PCM, and glow plugs. Function: transfers electrical signals. If the wiring is damaged or corroded, the circuit may remain open. Common causes of P0672: faulty glow plug in cylinder 2. If the glow plug fails or burns out, it won't generate heat, triggering the P0672 code. Glow plug control module, GPCM. Failure: a bad GPCM won't send the correct voltage to the glow plugs. Wiring or connector issues. Broken, corroded, or disconnected wires can cause an open circuit in the glow plug system. Glow plug relay malfunction. If the relay fails to send power, the glow plugs won't function correctly. PCM error. In rare cases, a faulty PCM may incorrectly detect an issue with the glow plug system. How to fix P0672? Step 1. Scan for additional codes. If multiple glow plug codes appear, check the entire glow plug system. Step 2. Test the cylinder 2 glow plug. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be around 0.62.0 ohms. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires and repair if needed. Step 4. Check the glow plug relay and fuse. Replace them if they fail to send power to the glow plugs. Step 5. Test and replace the glow plug control module, GPCM, if needed. If it's faulty, it won't send proper voltage to the glow plugs. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and verify the fix. Ignoring P0672 can lead to hard cold starts, excessive white smoke, and poor fuel economy. Fixing this issue ensures your diesel engine runs smoothly and efficiently. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0598, thermostat heater control circuit low. P0599, thermostat heater control circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.